Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install VLC Media Player on Windows 10. Type VLC Media Player in browser search bar. Click Official Download of VLC Media Player. Click Download of VLC. VLC Media Player is downloading. Double-click the downloaded file. Click OK to continue. Click Next. Click Next. Click Install. Click Finish. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.